Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in IIT JAM 2019. So our question is, let A and B the sequence of real numbers such that A1 is equals to 1 and An plus 1 is equals to An plus An square for all n greater than equals to 1. Then which of the following are correct? So here A1 is given and the sequence is given. So here a1 is equals to 1. So what is a2? If we put n is equals to 1, we get a2, that is 1 plus 1 square, that is equals to 2. If we find a3, what we put? N is equals to 2, that is a2, that is 2 plus 2 square, that is equals to 6. If we find a4, what we get? A4 is equals to what? We put n is equals to 3, that is 6 plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 6, that is equals to 42. Right? Now if we see this, if we put a1, a2, a3 here and see if a4 get 42 or not. So here we see a4 is equals to, put here 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 6. So we get 1 into 2 into 3 and into 7. And 7 6 are 42. So we get a4 is equals to 42. Here we get a4 is equals to 42. So option A is correct. Now if we say the sequence is what? The sequence is increasing sequence. We see a1 is 1, a2 is 2, a3 is 6, a4 is 42. So term by term the sequence is increasing. So if we reciprocal the sequence, then we get the decreasing sequence, and at n tends to infinity 1 upon an is equals to 0. So option this also is correct, because an is increasing and its reciprocal is what? Decreasing. So this an and 1 upon an and tends to infinity is not equals to 1. So option this is incorrect. Now option D, since this sequence is increasing sequence at n tends to infinity, this goes to infinity, not is equals to 0. So this option is also incorrect. So option A and D are correct option, and rest of options are incorrect. So this is a question based on sequence of the real numbers. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.